Okay, once you have the URL or the website link to your schedule, the students can go through looking for appointments, such as this right here. They simply click on it, book an appointment with you, and then you're sent a meeting invite to your Gmail. So in your Gmail will be an invite that looks like this. You can see a particular student has requested a meeting with me on Friday, March 27th at 4:15. I click yes, it adds it to my schedule, and I'm able to access it when I need to. You're also given reminders of the appointment in your inbox. So once it's time for the meeting, you come to your calendar. I'm going to shut this to show you what it would look like. So when I come over here, here's my notifications. I go to my calendar, or I can just go to the email. I can click here if I want to do a Google Hangout video meeting, or I can click here, enter the PIN. I can communicate with the student that way. If you'd like to see your upcoming appointments, just simply click on your calendar, and we'll go look at my appointments from this particular day. And you could see all the appointments my students made with me. I just click on it, and here comes the information. Click on this, and I'm able to meet with the students. It's really that easy.